didn't take the gummy before, okay?
No, I took.
Lithya, where are you going?
To the splash day.
To the splash. What you are going to do?
Splash water.
Ooh. Ooh.
Splash water to whom?
To Ida.
Let's go. Lithya, we will go to the other step. Go to the other step. So, what are you going to do today?
Amma, everything is there.
Yes, but extra dress is inside the bag.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to fill water.
Yeah, you are going to fill water and then splash.
To Ida.
Not only Isa, you have other friends also. But is it happening in the classroom or in the ground?
At the classroom, I think.
You will splash to the eyes, okay?
Maybe outside.
Only to the body.
No,
Okay.
Mr. La said not to the body. No, we can change our dresses. We can. Yeah, I have my towel there. I need.
Where's the towel? Inside the bag?
Amma, where's the towel?
Inside the bag.
And this bag?
No, the backpack. Backpack? You have backpack.
And this.
Okay, so have fun. Okay? What is splash day? Okay? Have
My
fun.
hand thing.
Okay, bye bye. Go.
My hand thing.